Hey guys, today's lesson through vocabulary in a minute is a wow and a fantabulous one for all the youngsters and the stylish ones out there. The word for today is rather an exclamation wow. Let's quickly learn the other exclamations for that wow moment. So here we go. Super, golly, cool, whoa, or whoa there. Zoe, oh my, goodness me. And the final one, Mamma Mia for feminine and my oh my for masculine. That was a super cool and a phenomenal lesson, isn't it? So, what are you waiting for? Hit like, comment, do share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.